Hi, I'm Sandra, the creator at Sing, Play, Create, and this is Sandra's Music Teaching Tips. And today, I've got a fun rhythm stick routine you can use with the song Capybara. Let's get started. Well, this is an easy rhythm stick routine you can teach to your students using the song on our Sing, Play, Create kids music channel called Capybara Dance. They can do the dance to the song, that's cool, but if you want to do some music activities with it and teach them beat and rhythm, this will help you with the rhythm sticks. So I'm just going to give you an overview of how it will go, and then I will have some pictures showing with the video specifically how that would look as you're teaching it. The form of the song is AABC, AABC, AABC. In between the B and C section is 2 beats of rest. The refrain starts first and it's capybara, capybara, dance like a capybara, and then that repeats. So every time we do the capybara, capybara, we're going to hold our rhythm sticks, and I call them, this is at attention, I'm ready, so watch me. So for the refrain of the song, which repeats AA, we're going to tap 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to roll 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's capybara, capybara, dance like a capybara, and then that repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, dance like a capybara. The next section will be the verse, and so we're going to tap the floor, and if you don't have carpet, you can use pieces of felt squares or lids, plastic lids that you have, or plastic buckets, anything that will soften the blow, even if they have sweatshirts, fabric, anything you have that will soften the blow on the floor. And so we're going to tap 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to tap in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, there is an AAB rest for 2 beats, then C section with 8 beats of tapping on the floor. That is for the action part of the song. The action words are surf, swim, and strut. And so they're going to tap on the floor. Of course, you can come up with your own rhythm stick actions during that 8 beats too. That would work also.
Come on!
Capybara, capybara, dance like a capybara. Capybara, capybara, dance like a capybara. He surfs on the back of a friendly crocodile down the jungle river with a great big smile. Surf, capybara, surf. Surf, capybara, surf.
So I've used pictures and words to go with the video that you can use. If you want this resource, it's free in the Sing, Play, Create free resource library, and you can just use it with the YouTube video to make a real easy rhythm stick routine lesson for you. If you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.